What if I told you there are people making $500, $1,000, even $10,000 per month without a team, without an office, just using AI tools from their laptop? Sounds fake. Yeah, I thought the same. But here's the scary part. If you don't learn these tools in 2026, you might get left behind, because while you're scrolling, someone your age is building an income machine. And no, it's not another get-rich-quick scheme your cousin sent you on WhatsApp. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI tools that are actually making money right now. And trust me, there is something like that almost no one is talking about. Let's start. First up, ChatGPT. But wait, don't skip this. You're probably thinking, everyone knows this already. That's exactly why most people are still broke using it. The real money isn't in asking random questions. It's in using ChatGPT for freelance writing, script creation, email marketing, and selling digital products. People are literally charging $50 to $300 per gig for work ChatGPT helps them do in minutes. Imagine getting paid for something AI writes faster than you type. But here's the catch. ChatGPT alone won't make you rich. You need leverage. And that's where tool number 2 comes in. AI video tools like Pictory are changing the game. You don't need a camera. You don't need to show your face. You just need a script, some stock visuals, and consistency. People are creating YouTube automation channels and earning from ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. Meanwhile, creators who rely only on manual editing are getting slower and replaced. Let me ask you, would you rather spend 5 hours editing or 15 minutes clicking a few buttons? Exactly, but here's the twist. What if you could create content and design at the same time? This is where things get interesting. AI image tools like Midjourney are printing money for creators. People are selling AI art on Etsy, creating thumbnails for YouTubers, and designing social media content for brands. And the crazy part? Most clients don't even know it's AI. One viral thumbnail can bring thousands of views and turn into thousands of dollars. And here you are, still searching free PNG download. But wait, what if you could automate an entire business, not just tasks? This is where beginners become pros. Zapier lets you connect apps and automate workflows using AI. For example, someone fills a form, AI generates a response, an email gets sent automatically, and payment gets processed. Boom, a business running on autopilot. Companies are paying $500 to $2,000 plus for simple automation setups. Because time equals money. Think about it. If a robot can do your job, what's your next move? Exactly, you level up. And tool number 5 is the ultimate level up. AI website builders are exploding in 2026. You can now create landing pages, build SaaS tools, and launch online stores, all without coding. People are launching niche tools, affiliate websites, and digital product stores in just hours. The barrier to entry is gone, which means more competition, but also more opportunity than ever before. And here's what no one tells you. The tool doesn't matter. The strategy does. Listen carefully. Most people will watch this video, get excited, and do nothing. But the top 1%? They pick one tool, master it, and monetize it. Because 2026 isn't waiting for you. AI is moving fast. Opportunities are moving faster. So what's it gonna be? Watch more videos or start making money? Here's your action plan. Pick one tool from this list, learn it for 7 days, and offer a service or build something. That's it. And if you want, I can show you exactly how to make your first $100 with AI step by step. Just let me know in the comments, because the future belongs to those who use AI, not those who ignore it.